Okoman.
You are going from a Dr. Benson, Okoman, Kofara by of Okoman FM, Kofara by of Shoe Fabric, Kofara by of Agro Farms, and a Bakubia, SR Baswo, Pamoso, Edison, Dino, Epetuga, Afiason, Ibitudra, Mema, Nananum, Afishiapa, Okwapemia, Afishiapa. I am for work, I come in and be Biara official. Or drive a train, Master say, Obi Biara book up a man, baby to Girano, Oba, Pa, Ma, February. From the Ebisabiana from Fanaba, who phones me. Now, feed him so called when 70 years, Oba Bokrom, what you will know, yea. The movie official, Obi Biara, all she knows. Na me aduma ojoda ya woda ye gobo ball ojoda fida ni abo finance eye top 4 ani ye gobo e wo college park so a ye femi PTC a obia enim ye ba ye sre se obia mra no mehwebi se na enko fefefe se na nanu ya fi etwa mu no eye last year di na ye boy no eye no sa pepe enu mu top 4 na ye rebo idure enti no bibia mra no bia so bad say medical can show nsuye was mu asana ko waso ya ofi bai pepepe bi mo bibia afishia pa afeti say na yetia so na yasan ahia bio me do bibia na ase
Okoman radio Okoman.
Offer me Mr. Dennis Oradudu me asafu penhine our Presbyterian asafu our friend Peace Congregation. I'm saying Mirimu, Ocean from Melba, a Udran Frama, and Intina Yama, Yahoyaho, official pa. Then American is a young shay who see a Mirimu de Yama Bibrina, Eba, Cruim, and Intina Yakoya Safwa, Yerema Yaho, official pay, Nayarika say young shay who see. Now, would you rate me? I crabeshe. Now, what Budia or Bundimpa, Afe Ukwapmahu. When Yaminka Yinahu. Amen.
Okoman radio Okoman.
Baya me na akromia ibiri na frem mama na Okomanfo nyina me ma won Afrisiapa me ma John Peter Afrisiapa me ma Okore Afrisiapa me ma Opoku Afrisiapa me ma Opoku brother Pehene ono so me ma na Afrisiapa me ma ebusuafo e wo nyina Afrisiapa mfinko mebu on fiso afidanti sebiri na Okoman aye kakra na Okoman aye krabehwe na Okoman yebo Okoman a na kire se nipa ho popo Okoman won koso na hwehwe efe Okoman ni amoyen ye pese mutiro motaben na mutiro motaben ekwopo manyina do Okoman fo yase ye da won ase
Okoman radio Okoman.
Me dey na na didie amonokrom de ma adofo ina eba udrei afishiapa ye mo mo kwaso kuse eni te biara esene fata esemu ba na mo wa beti na mo de boa kroi ukwape man koso the same na nanom se onfo mo nyina amra medura sumdwem omo konso an nanom se anwa ho mo so onfo mo kodura sumdwem bibi boni biara ebetum biara de se nyame se ompani nyina tu the shadow nyina se yajimu nyina wa tu momra na momra me kaye ho nyanya amonokro man jasman enkwaso ukwape man so kwaso na emfa ne ntuma pa emfa na fese sede na say we adum ne yatinkomu a oh ebe ye fe ya da mo ya ma munyina afisiapa
Okoman radio Okoman.
Nana Bosompra alias Kiki aja yang ni station na ajuma ente ya kwa manten YouTube ya bafaka omra ha ni yamano lori nam kwanso eko anye boba afunu bi na obibi kam na obibi sa yenya na ye de amma na ni supa odo wakodu asumge odo aba asumge na de waba asumge enti yanso ye da Okoman FM Okoman TV say on so enti bibi aye no bedi nakra na ye no won bibi ha yan ye rebeko no de ati o man nanim na won so no ye won ajre anti asem kakra am kan so bia mna station no ma froka
afisiapa
ye mo bia so afisiapa Okoman station ye mo bia afisiapa mo nyina mo ye yentum ye so ye je mo nyina so ya ye je Okoman so atum
me brother panyin ase esa ne say ono na ohwe station we so station kan na yehu ne say ketewa na so sa na ye adwuma papa na ha so say obibi yira wotena afrim wa ha na say wore kokofo dua say wore konkran na say obibi yira ebesan aba esa ne say wo ye adwuma papa wa ha ba eti yeda won ase say wore ye adwuma de ama ogapman aha bi say obako ankran obako kokofo dua je say oba every station ya be faka ansa na wako every kropong station yanma wo nyina afisiapa bigina na Kwame hinakuwa na mu merichia na no payi aha onyankopon to ne nkwa na asum na kru no nkoso na bibia anya kama yenim se ha de asumdwe wa ha aha
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Bidi Eddie Fred Okan Jr., the Public Relations Officer, Edima, the Kwame District of National Health Insurance Authority. Nti mijina your district manager, anemu Eddie Wishi Bibia Afishapa. Ewo Ojura Yeba Bidi Mubia Afishapa. Ubefa akunya iso Eddie Echia your clients your cherished customers la ye ni Juma afiaso. Per se engineer akunya iso so Eddie kan kofo. Say one year health insurance no ombo mo dia no twimben ye na say wa your health insurance card dey so omo twimben ye no mo renew omo health insurance card na omo fa akonya so emfa enchia bia ni busuafo na ye bese say afashe ni so ombe the brofusi in moderation ombe celebrating in moderation na bibia koso kama second so ye jina officer name Eddie Chel Bibia, Honorable Member of Parliament, District or Municipal Chief Executive, Bibia, Waboye, Wama, Yetimi, SCV, customers, and I say SCV members of the General Public. That was Mobia for Shapa.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Pacho Midindi Mavis Abenada Answa. Mekasefi first class salon. Pacho mima Okrapme na afishiapa. Mema Okrapme hen afishiapa no pe. Odre yendi na sundremu. Yamfa asundrendi inwie. Yamidi minti amen. Afishiapo.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Your friend Martes, aka Kuso, Mrs. Kuso. Your Danyamia sister, I fear Paba Trian. Your Dokumasi, the Sanchiami Mame, Nana Ria Otibu. The batteries are like I say. Yamana Fishapa, I feel Comrametunin Fiso now, Afibia Comrametu. The Sanchiana. Asrahima, the batteries are from my dear now, Chiani. I am Mrs. Koso. Emma Okuma Fishapa, Emma Capmine Afishapa. Yadamasi. Afishapa, Capmine, and Okoman.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Didiane Osofo Isaac Abuaje, Dodona Frame Ajempa. Mema Ekwapum nyina afisiapa. Si ade yo kwasi akufo otoso ebiesa na na nkwaso okwaman kwaso e mama afisiapo afenko embesan ye ho afisiapa.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Afiadu amonokuro modura na edoso odurada doda ni efi odura na se yekobo kwan branda acha afo okuro na efi tu afo kono na mrante na bekwa akofo encha ngosi 5 na akofo odura no nu aye de nti obi awo bebia na peso be show obi afishiapa o Fem come to ye. Yechia amono nana osimu kwatia. Yechia ne mpanyinfu nyina. Yechia amono kuromanfo. Ya mumu nyina afishia pa. Michia madofu nyina.
Mena wa modi.
Memi di ni mako Janet. Obi ani wa monoko. Ya fam na nam.
Okoman radio. Okriapimayano.
You are from Dr. Benson Opoku, covered by of Okoman FM, covered by of Shoe Fabric, covered by of Agro Farms, and a Bakudia, SR Basso, Pamoso, Edison, Dino, Epetuga, Afia Son, Ibitudra, Mema Nanalum, Afishiapa, Ukwapemia, Afishiapa. I am for work at Yumina, Biara official. Or driver betray my seven say, Obi Biara would up a man, baby, do Jurano, Obafa, Pa, Pa, Febra. Cronde, it is Abiana from Fanaba, who phones me. Now, feed him so called me as 70 Obaba Bokrom, watch your Lumino Yay. The movie Abijapa, Obi Biara, all Shen Monsieur. Na me aduma ojoda ya oda ye bobo ball ojoda fida ni abo finance eye top 4 ani e bobo e wo college park so a ye femi PTC a obia enim ye ba ye sere se obia mra no me hwebi se na enko fefefe se na nane a fie twa mu no eye last year ni na ye boy no eye no sa pepe enu top 4 na ye rebo odure enti no bibia mra no bia so bad say medical can show nsuye was no asan akọ waso ya ofi bai pepepe me mo bibia afishia pa afete say na yetia so na asan ahia bio me do bibia ra ase
Okoman radio. Okriapimayano.
Yo, me mama afishia po Okomanfo. Eda ma sese ma tro mo se se wo so mo anya TV ankasa. Hey, we are there. It's your Bibia, come on for me to your Bibia, fish up a purpose you have told you. You do try and would you rank Cassa. Oh, you there? Oh, I bet you decake. Maybe also for Kwame Amponsah Addi or Pake. Bagasi Kaumbi. Anna Wankasa so Kaumbi. Oh, Bia, me mamma, fish up, or come on for Mamma fish up.
Okoman radio. Okriapimayano.
Baya me na akromia. Ibiri na frem mama na. Okomanfo nyina me ma won Afrisiapa. Me ma John Peter Afrisiapa. Me ma Okore Afrisiapa. Me ma Opoku Afrisiapa. Me ma Opoku brother Pehene. Ono so me ma na Afrisiapa. Me ma ebusuafo e wo nyina Afrisiapa. Nfinko mebu on fiso. Afidanti sebiri na Okoman aye kakra. Na Okoman aye krabehwe. No Okoman yebo Okoman na trese nipa ho popo Okoman won koso na fefe efe Okoman ni amoyen ye pese mutiro mutabem na mutiro mutabem ekropo manyina do Okoman fo yase ye da won ase ni atan aye memi adwuma enne Okoman nti ye ma ye adwuma ye da won ase. Yada wang ase papa Afrisiapa Mfinko megu mu mfeso why Mfinko megu mu mfeso mo adwuma nkoso ene ye hwehwe ye mama Afrisiapa
Okoman radio. Okriapimayano.
Amrokuru man na no sim kwatia amrokuru mu hene oso mo bia Afrisiapa na no su afukokoko Rebo hene osumenya na kuntu mensa na no simpwetia oso ma Afrisiapa na oyo man osimpwetia osi onema na ubu omenyi sa afia ko na afia ba no tubu ka kire ma ne se omama Afrisiapa munni nachi munyimu kumam mun tabo buase na mon somo na amroko mo entumpo me achi amiedu na no simpwetia na menkwa ba na kuntu mensa Rebo hene asuna hene obi biara wayi ni yam so resom
wa murokuru ha afe nko na afe meti yen afe dance say dey won kwam afishapo
Right, Okoman 97.1 radio. And we see to my say, Okoman Global Sports. And we see the bar. And they move and change. Brennan Stoner to my Saka Cram. And so still, yeah, the Jumedi bar. You see a duo, we are say, Nay, Transi say, a good young summer, Chagu, we are say for nine. And I didn't see it to me the bar. Say football. Say boxing, athletics, table tennis, long tennis. Minyina si beti matena na fensu to me di hun komo. Na awie nsem be ne yehwe. Enu ada kopie mo Zimbabwe. They say the Black Stars of Ghana. It's me koche the Warriors of Zimbabwe. Ebo mo kaba ko ne ni Zimbabwe minus 20 mante. Na eno World Cup qualifier. Etimi aboa Ghana ya beto su mienu with 9 points. Na ki sheni sanka South Africa beto ya chere afa de bo. Na so no so eche Ethiopia. Ethiopia bo anu ekaba ko no so entumi ante. Etene no South Africa so ehura di kan. Ekura 10 points. Ene group no so etumi den. Ghana ni beto qualify dia kopie mo the next stage ana. Yenya bomba ese niema so betuma koso totin. Ama fasha seri calculator tutu niema home. Eshem say ne Ghana ese Ethiopia. Na South Africa ese Zimbabwe. Ne Ghana be say South Africa or Ghana high qualify. Ana say Ghana say Ethiopia wa wait. Na South Africa ebo draw ene Zimbabwe. Ghana ehura be di kan. The chances of qualifying was through. And tene calculator na sha say bam. Calculations ne koso. And so media me GDS Ghana so bet me qualify. Then boy akopie mu awo yakata 2022. But then we match no saying performance of the players. Technical team no. Coach Milovan Rajevac. The second official match. It's me winner about the Black Stars of Ghana. Oh, performance and saying. And he went to national fence here, the home come on. Samson Abafiata folk. Kwesi around his heart, Draconom. And the Cup Champions League. At the folk and our fence on a year wider Casablanca of Morocco. And then he had a big game, no sir, Bosso. And a Cup Champions League. Kwesi around the Nations Wembley. The national fence here, the has given home come on. Now report everybody if you got a catch it. Hey, and Sharon Yanika. Mr. Dr. Kwame Amponsah Addi. Dr. Kwame Amponsah Addi. On the son on a board chairman, Edema Korokotimo. Reporter Eba Mr. Papano so Etima resign. And then a reporter Eba. Say no crap, say no crap. And then so in some Abubaba. The boy Tini. Dr. Kwame Amponsah Addi. I know a board chairman Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko. Reported by Mr. Papano so to resign. and they were bullet tin. Fi aha erkope me paga. Eda koma His Royal Highness, His Majesty Otumfo Osei Tutu Abebio. HM say nana ejuma no mintimi nya biem. Me na de agu and His Royal Majesty betna na fe so wa letter nim. HM say doc ejuma no me na me de ma o. And say obetna say obekono me na abusuya betna na fe so de ho komo. But na eba na HM say Dr. Kwame Addi komo Otumfo chem say ejuma no ontumi nya biem. Ani koroko ejuma no ontumi nya biem. Yebehwe sansem no so na fe so domasuko. Ne u say nsem ne no kura na sanya no kura. Na ya hwe say the doctor akona be affect koroko tim no. Ne mpon wan na betuma ba na fe so abafa koroko ejuma na to ba ye. Na manfo ka ese ne na se Kwame ana fe so na Amponsah connection in shara ni wo. Ayankofa ni shara ni wo. Ene ka obi ni Dr. Kwame so resign. Baransa na yebedi sankoma no yebe ko be simedu na fenso na manane nsam na tuma ba ono bi so ko piemo Euro sign ne World Cup qualifiers ni tojwa sanso na enu matches do na so tumi cross wa Africa ha yebe she na fenso ya tumi results ni nyina de atujwa de amamo na fenso wa be bia man ahodi ono nyina so eta teams so far metime qualify for the World Cup no ni abe mi ensam wine so far metime qualify the World Cup Qatar 2022 yebe ko na fenso manane nsam na tuma ba bare wien so na beja fofia Jeff Akufubu aten wa ha Samson and no Korea German head of sports on Sofia. Samson and Miaminia. The writer commentator on Sofia. And the writer Sofia, you better not fancy in common. Every person I bet not fancy any abja for in common. Only said, China fancy a year or Jurassic tournament. Let's say, and a China Yawdam. If you had a better so. And they bring reps from the various clubs now fancy any imagine come on. HM says so far so good. Preparation it is saying HM match in a person and as a games in a chance, you know. I'm teams from my crowd one I feel Dre and Pae Bejam. Ufa Kroma was a feeling was through. Boran was through. A man for bomb when see papa. Hey, Cropon. A bayo ja. International top 4 neighbors to National Finsuno, Yanni reps in common. Only say, I'm on full. Sounds so abandoned situation. Akukwaso. Anasa and Sabron, who may friend of Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain of a Cropon. Eh, him brom. Yes, and him brom so ever Pimofia. I'm on phone from Chelsea. I'm on for Chelsea of a Cropon. The best na fancy and reps and all teams senior said in common. But if you Mamenda Ura, yeah, Kofi Anson Bafwase, or no, and executive producer extraordinaire, my heavy papa, Ura Kofi Anson Bafo, I mean, Nana Serie, Samson and Anna Kwame Perry. I don't say too much shit. Jumedian, come. And I feel so no Korea German. Head of sports on Sona Pop and 7 years no area Mammy Ameriba. And a DJ Tony, DJ Ziggy, Facebook, no Ziggy, make Christian and no to Chegu. It's a number to join in live on Facebook. And your Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Oko Facebook unsabe tuma join here no wanya jumedi ni so tuma share. Oko like page no. O share na full front so nya bia share. Na do comment so to aseboko. Abre pam ya be kan di amount. Oko YouTube nso etwegu ho. YouTube no ya Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 or YouTube. Samsung Instagram ya Okoman 971. Instagram Okoman 971. I want to bet me follow show no. Na bibi anso na koso kama riamao. O the WhatsApp na fe so SMS ba 0270 191 971 0270 191971. Also for WhatsApp and afins on SMS Fabra. Ibenya Bren afins ya can kind of amount. But I am Median and I Kwame Amponsah Addi. Waiting my frame AK. Entino, my court na fensono, amanane 7 sono, yan fambra. That's all right. In Tiene, young corner fence, and I'm an answer, no, and also young to me fan to draw, and so I found my tail for him saying, some no does so, Nemo, yes, and Fata, sounds so to me, Teno, and I bring a drone, and I say, now fence yet to me at the Abro, now Copiamo Manania, and you know, Mr. World Cup qualifies, and all, and so I Chagua, and also Yasim Kuma, Yashana fence, and for results, and so I'm fan to draw, and so I'm fan Maudia, the best I sense, so at me the Asia World Cup qualifies, and all. And other matches in also to Michaguya. I send you for the Grana Japan, and so to Mitrafie at Australia, and so upon a camino, and Australia at Mubako, South Iran, and so I know South Korea, and so let me ball 1-1. Then also a big game Syria, at Rafima Lebanon, Sono, and Beteno Bonacama, Kumakumi and Sa, and my Syria, so let me Timumiano, some match in an interesting game, 10 years, Syria at Rafie, and my Lebanon, Sono, et me be sent by 3 goals to 2. Now you're saying yes, and Kuma Sound to Oman. And Vietnam, and so to be born by 3 goals to 1. United Arab Emirates, you try to test the UAE, and so in Iraq, and so to be born 2-2. Now you say a big clash, and not that, and so to be in Saudi Arabia, and so China, and so born economy, and so I'm China, so it's my team, it's winning games, and not that, it's my Chagu Asia World Cup qualifiers anymore. Yes, so near to me, I to your team for him, Yankona Fensoro, Yankopiamo Europe, not Fensor, Yancha matches, and not that. And also to Michaguya, and Europe now face so Yenshingo, and Famate for Copiamodia, Kazakhstan at Rafie, and my Finland, super border Caminoa, and also went to me and say, a Branton, the other Timo Puki, no, it's a Brantano, it's me Bogo, Sunimi, and so let me Maya Finland, Mino, South Portugal, and so that's Luxembourg and Soro, a border Kanama Kumaku Numa, and it's on Luxembourg and Soro, and to me and say a Branton the day, and the Cristiano Ronaldo, a Branton is science from BM, and Bogo Sunama. Kumiensa, it's where my Portugal, Mino, and the hat-trick, and a Branton in the Ronaldo, and so let me boy, and so let my Portugal team know, South and Serbia, and so let me Azerbaijan, a born a Kanama Kumiensa, and many Azerbaijan, so no, it's me to move back 3-1, and a Samach and also it's me Korea and Kosovo, and so I fear, I'm in Georgia, and so I said, come you know, I'm an Itimu back Sweden, at Boboku and Asaman, the other Greece, and so no, a born academy, you know, and a Greece and to Bulgaria, at Northern Ireland, and so no, it to be born by 2 goals to 1. Now you say you feel go Lithuania, at Rafima, Switzerland, so no, Echo sent by 4 goals to 0. Ukraine and Bosnia Herzegovina, and so to be born 1-1. That's a game, no so and not from Kra Ukraine Bobokwa, and I saw a man in Denmark, and so no, it to meet Austria, and so to be born a Kabakwa, and the Austrian to man to Israel, and so they need a Yampa Bonkwa, and Yamasonkwa, and the born only ball Israel, so to meet Moldova, a born by 2 goals to 1. Then the son you feel go Albania, and Rafima Poland, and so no, Echo sent a Kabako, and the Albania minus so and to me and San Marino, as to Rafia, Mama Andorra, and to me concerned by 3 goals to 0. Then also Justin Ketua, and the Republic of Ireland, and so that's Qatar. Now so much we need a friendly game, such as here Republic of Ireland at Qatar born by 4 goals to 0. Then I'm up for Castle a friendly match. I won't say that here. Now big game no so no, it me to draw the 3 Lions of England, who could be more Wembley, and na da England to me drop points England that's na fie I mean I'm hungry so no to me but 1-1 that's how much no so no enya sem keto na some match ne no I want say some bobaba unu say ne I hungry mine no I'm fans no so no to me koto se police for and I'm wo Wembley so na just nye fere gon to kwa kese pa and no so no to me twegu ya and police officers and as officers e England they chum say investigation kase and so no betu twegu and so no England na fe so no nipa ne so no yetumi chi omo no and yetumi di makopiem court na fe so court so no etumi akokasa asem no na enu ada kopiem Denmark so no etumi chi Austria etumi bone ka ba ko a ono so no wantumi ante we so no etumi aboa ama Denmark about the third country ono so etumi qualify akopiem and so no World Cup na say Qatar 2022 and then 8 matches at Denmark abono ni nyina so no watumi di nkunuma ono so etumi aboa ama Denmark so no etumi qualify amukọ Qatar 2022 na so far teams are qualify Qatar 2022 no the host nation Qatar na kasa jinemu sanso na the diamond south of Germany almost so jinemu na afin so no Denmark almost so na da almost to qualify almost so no World Cup na sia and also na yefi da gro ngembra na afin so no yembe pie mu Africa ha ne for results no enfan tuja na afin so yembe di komo ofie dia ube pie mu Africa ha World Cup qualifies no so etimi toju na say nya sem kuma Namibia tina fie ama Senegal enso ko ball ka no makoma yensa ema Namibia so no etimo ba ko na 3-1 ana sama che no so etimi awie na Niger enso tina fie ma Algeria ebo me ka no makoma ko 9-4-0 aye Niger so no etimi ante Abranten ni Real Madrid so etimi ba go afen so no ye bobu ko na so me ni de Congo etina fie ma Togo eko ball ka mienu ema ne Congo so no etimi ba ko Guinea etina fie ma Morocco eko ball ne ka no makoma ko 9 ema ne Guinea so no etimi ba ko na afen so no bobu ko na so me ni de Zimbabwe the Warriors etina fie ema the Black Stars of Ghana enso ko ball ne ka ba ko ano so no wantimi ante Thomas Tepote enso etimi the ball enso etimi to atenema enso na boam amani yama so no etimi akoso ewa Africa ha yenso ne etimi ade ato yetefo anima enso na ye fere ago yenso na afen so no yetimi fa club issues nsamba kumienu etimi fa tujwa ukopie mu so no Manchester United akatia Abranten ni de Rafa Varane report about James Abranten so etimi akopra groin injury and in Abranten ni de Rafa Varane so no etimi nya na kaisa no so say Abranten ni de Harry Maguire and also injury dada intene Rafa Varane so no etimi akokan ho and in Manchester United defense no and then ya break it down intene ole ne ohwe na Fenseri Belling so no otumi fix no na ne man so na koso Enfama United team no intene report to dwa so the James Rafa Varane no Abranten so etimi pick injury and also na nyasem kuma yanso ne etimi to yetefu anim na ka Manchester United no and e okokana wan ka Manchester City asama na no so na semfota yenkopio Manchester City akate Abranten ni dey Phil Foden Abranten so report to dwa chere to Manchester City and so etumi ni Abranten atena se enkomatwetwe no wadi awia Abranten so contract extension no enche bia no Abranten ni dey Phil Foden and so betuma extend the contract and so no etumi di ama Manchester City team no and so yetumi to yetefu anim na medicine no ukopie mu and so no ewo ye Cristiano Ronaldo and Abranten is form hat-trick and so no etumi boy etumi adema Portugal na we etumi aboa amana bone 10th hat-trick and so no etumi adema Portugal man chrim be chiremu yeti hat-trick no goals no miensa na yesi the game no watumi ase mako 10 and so ho Ronaldo and Portugal oba on all time top scorer oba international football so Ronaldo still counting Abranten no top scorer and also I don't know in 70 year they be am catch us doso na se na fota se oteno and I bring ado nyina so no yetumi yare pa enteno my fancy na fe so yentwa ho ya ba e ba be din komo so no Elfie Makacho Sene and some of the doors will fear Black Stars issues were all Sanson Akodoko, Dr. Kwame Che, and they reported batches of panel resign. Sanson and the Art of Folk CAF Champions League. The bidding commander of Finsuno, Ochina, big tournament, and also Etuja, big tournament, and also Etuja, Ochina, Ujra, top four no, and Subit Macosto, and the reps in our ha, the version of Finsuno, Yanuamo, Eddie Como, every pem. It's my try Humra, nothing Suno, Yemidin Como.
Stops my bones from wondering just why am I? Who am I? Well, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again, but some nights I always win. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know. So this is it. I sold my soul for this. Wash my hands of that for this. I miss my mom and dad for this. No.
All right, you Yansama Bujafo Akwaba. In San Fambra, Okoman 97.1 Radio, Okoman Global Sports. And everyone so Yatanasia. You be doing Komo, and then Oko Facebook and so live for Okoman Radio 97.1, Okoman Radio 97.1, Oko Facebook, on Subit my journey. Na Bibian Sono etimi I kama sounds on YouTube. I Okoman Radio 97.1. On Subit my journey live. Na what me actually okwa like page na Facebook. Na o share na for friend ya bi share na osono what me a comment na Bibi fine. Sounds on Instagram. Okoman 971. Instagram Okoman 971. Na Bibi Sono etimi I fine. WhatsApp, SMS yes. Order by 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Abijafo Jeff Akufu Boateng ewa ha na no courage man. Etimi atena sena fe so no the writer commentator and so no ewo fie ha na eba bedin command for the Black Stars of Ghana. Na onim say na big game and it told you ewo Zimbabwe and Ghana so no etimi konya victory no be share game no and then preview and then a review of the game. Say na our assess team no coach me the tactics no Kwame so na hu sa game no so etimi fine na yen so no etimi di san komo no ntino ma ma Abijafo Akwaba I know courage man Bibi fine.
Okay, Bibi fine.
Say umpom ye na Wednesday say any braba e okrum. Ofa okrum ni ade say Bibi fine. Sa.
Debi.
Say me say positive Bibi.
Debi Bibi na okrum.
Sa. Okay. Obaya otema. Ozo no ochia pa say na oba o relax on na okasa no opepa ntino obaya otema. Ozo yeah.
Na yo dwurada. Ukuda.
Yenya yera ho. Ye wani brim. Ntino oye bia na ocheche orient no. And also Jeff Akufu Boateng. And so Mr. Jeff
Addi Diamond.
Yes.
The only Diamond. AK the Diamond.
Diamond and Sadaka. Say Bibi fine.
Oh, enede. Minya kameka se Bibi fine and so so ni say neye ojurada wugude na ye kai wonga film. Nti na wo hwɛ me a me hye tuntum film ti kosi me nanse wo sɛ me anka san so me yoni patuntum de da nti na te sɛ full black America major o film next month na be 3 years o film no oye ni person me bo papa because major he played a very important role in my life say oye eja na wo hwɛ ne so de kansem he was an example of a father nti neno Minyanka meka se bibia ye cool na so so near baby yiginem Okoman Global Sports Day yiginem
say if you better na say oh
papa baby you better na say papa baby you near besi bia Okoman Global Sports Day yiginem pinting
sa
yechengo.com
the writer
Jabo
say Bibi fine.
Yeah, me adom Bibi fine.
Obeya na say
yes.
And say Mora no ho.
Yes.
Film no ho.
Yes.
Say Bibi come ho.
Yeah, me adom. Yaba.
Okay.
Me fa krum kakra na ohwa. Krum enye easy. Yes, am fa jato many ase. E be man fa no work up. Yaba.
Am fa no work up.
Am fa no work up. Say we twema age next year. Nti no so bia din Bibi ashim. Na e fa sana na e fafa.
Yeah,
there he is. And
you know, the writer commentator, and I'm what's in Canada, but you're just in the Black Stars of Ghana. Jeff, and I'll share game maybe. What assessment on the game?
So far, so beautiful. I'm saying again, say Coach Milo we see na adwene pese obema me di humble pie na so far na humble pie ne de ready pa because say ye nyina ye ka me wa ha me de na make us me de onya me choice na nka menya ya nka heavy renard na nka wo be fa no because I so coach Melody we nyin ne tactics ne ade nyin ne ade nti menya sure I mean looking at the current crop of players and I no na me just say many da sokura asa but so far coach Melody say I mean in Rano I think say we were even a bit wasteful. I think say we could have even gone for more goals. Young victories, in his first 2 games, they are and yes, we scrapped for wins. I mean, we played convincing football against our last 2 nations. And Osha Obi to say Didi Ayu, who is the substantive captain of the side, was on the bench from the beginning. Showing say I mean he's bold to take the. Or you're bold enough to take those kind of decisions to ensure that the Black Star carries the day. I think, say, what's his name? Defender now, of course, say penalty in the previous match. Once say Utu say or you'll be a one in Akasa. I mean, he was more stable, on the days. Even if you watch tactics, you see against Zimbabwe in the first match. Now I think we used a different approach in the which means Milo was aware of the game. He was aware of the fact that say Neyareko away and it's going to be a home turf. Even I'm sure he even took the condition of the pitch into play. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Now I am a say na me expect to say be na amba ne sa na rekuniye. Nti coach Milo de yerman congrats. Say coach Milo rekoye nso ana na say ketokre kun so na say yerman fans kakra. Oh yeah. Nti it say good one there Mr. Ket. Yes say ye betimi a share Ethiopia, ni a share South Africa. Na say World Cup na no ya na ye with nothing less. Me Cup of Nations you qualify kura me and family. But World Cup in the SEA could be. SEA could be. I'm looking forward to your last 2 games, especially the game against South Africa.
Okay. And I know Jeff, I could football team. Quick one. I don't know so what you made FM. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, my minty on the Black Star game.
The mama fa kwenya so na mintia. Wait fu nyina. Na me ma wo bia afishiapa. And now Kwakoye Ujuada Ukude. Make it for a long time, I must be honest. Me share Ghana board. Because meaning the end. One performance wise. Chaleusha Ghana board, it became something else at a point in time. But then meaning what prompted me to watch. Now me sure I was really impressed. Yes. With the new boys actually. Mohamed Kudus. He's one fantastic.
I say, me was certain Kwaja Samoa and Mohamed Kudus.
Yeah. Because me Bakubi Onya Bono behind the Wafendeng 18 yard. And now Oyi Bono Koso and then
the control.
Yes, the control. And then the first touch is really important. The technique to even hit that ball. Now airbound. Commentator say, "Whoa, what a wonderful technique!" It means that boy has something special. We need to just watch him. I see if you know, but Ghana de, ukwa community my any day, obey, or better work or see, because I see real talent in him. I see real talent in him. Me try about that, but I was really impressed with him. And then Kamal Dean, me who know, but he's a bit selfish. Because at a point in time, when ball back could be just across the box, 18-yard box, instead of a best square move, or no try so uncle Beshe. And I was like, Masa. Yeah, at the top level, you don't play this. What no experimentation need do so do. Because we were one team now, they know say a white coach is sitting on the bench or betting on into I know where you're near me, but what now I say waywardness in the door so do. Into I was really impressed, and Yankee Panana, I had a bit of doubt with him.
That so far, need 2 matches a match the ball.
On that convincing. Yeah, on that convincing.
But we should have for Baba. And I think so for you, but I don't know number one.
Richard, before you know, I don't really trust him that much.
Ghana, as of late, and you said
No.
I think
Because the likes of Olele, the likes of
Samir James, even with Adam Kwarase.
Yeah, Kwarase, we were in friend then with Kwarase. Yama Kwarase that chance no more.
Yeah, that's true.
Yama that chance no, because Kwarase was a fine material. But Yama that chance when in Ghana, we don't have that patience for team and day. Because but I was really impressed. Now I was waiting there and come good news from South Africa end, but unfortunately he ended up in a win.
You know that South Africa, Ethiopia, Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
There is a connection. There is a connection. But Yani Ababe Tomu Tuntumiri, you better say one party now. I'm only praying that boys they won't team one this. But I'm seeing something special with the team.
Yeah.
Minim it's the same team, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And
same crop of
just technical handler pen we change. And then look at it means a night we warrior CK Abro and CK Nana one pen. That is another question.
To be honest,
CK Nana
Wasa. Let's be honest to ourselves. Let's be honest with ourselves.
Okay, it is a CK Asa there. It means that there be Ambokwa for expatriates.
It's not about bringing in expatriates, but
so what is our problem?
Young local coaches and
That's a fact. CK might be the problem, but young boys, so the disrespect level now, what about the local coaches, are really high.
Do you think say young coach players?
I also don't blame them.
I disrespected the likes of Coach Bashamo.
Which
may disrespected the likes of
where's now what Bano? They earn millions and millions of Ghana cedis.
I just still they earn more than Coach Milo.
Yes.
Me, I feel say the main reason why sometimes players need be disrespect to coaches and say, hey, coaches no one tactical ineptitude.
Oh yeah, and they're true.
Because I'm playing under Pep Guardiola. I'm playing under Jose Mourinho. I'm playing under Patrick Vieira. Training. Some of these players were icons, legendary players. They understand the game. Training now, tactics are what they're mouth.
They even play with you.
Yes, tactics are what they're mouth. You know, playing style near there where put you across. Then you come to Ghana and they be a local coach. And then your catcher will know who say New King substandard. And then maybe sometimes you even try to correct say, oh coach, I think say and say it will be better. Now at that time he tries to show you say I am the coach here. You understand? Sir, then there's a disjoint somewhere there, and then the spirit
has to do with Sule
you understand? And then now if you playing Abe style be the issue of whether you better for expatriate coaches, for me it's neither here nor there. There was a point Sven Goran Eriksson has coached England. Fabio Capello has coached England. It is national team there better and here. It's not really about whether it is a local coach or I don't mind. We can go and bring a Togolese coach if the coach will do their job. Me and I'm say Black Stars nebe koso the yebe ball no ye beji in the year winning trophy no man any beji. Look at 2010. See the kind of unity a football brought in Ghana. I mean, for a whole month, the entire country forgot about politics. We were not talking politics on radio. We just said nothing. It was just football. We were happy. Those that used to go to the office wearing a Ghana jersey, and nobody would question you. Everybody was fine. Their sense of patriotism went so high. And to me, they said Black Star Koswa, I am there on a different level because euphoria be a deep back country. When the Black Stars returned to Ghana, the crowd they share. Look at the crowd that met. I sure say President Biakre that kind of crowd voluntarily in Ghana.
Okay.
And to know me they say Black Star ne what your neck Koswa me de pa.
Okay. The writer.
Chamo.
You check quick one on the Black Star game, no.
Chamo, Mamiji na Minsenchiti from Montashoni from afar. Oshia, Endra, the Blasters of Ghana, maybe game itself, but Coach Milo, Tama, ya appointed Coach Milo. I was one of the few people, sir. Now make us say Coach Milo, second coming into the Blaster, Ejmano Timinye. 2010, Coach Milo, after say, what the Ghana, Echo do, World Cup, and yeah, open another room, semi-final, Yebura.
Open
Luis.
Okay.
Yes, open another room. I say, Kroma no bona, Boni dino and Boni ya, be trim crow, be me the second one. Because in yon one came room was semi-final. Yes. And yon one Darman, Kagana, Yeburum, a semi-final. From that day, after Semilo, Okobujma, Obujman, we are by wohwɛ the Blasters of Ghana team na ɛwɔ hɔ na coach Milo after say man no bibi ewie no coach ekra sɛ ɔkɔ akɔkum abusuafo aba na that time na Ghana phone penifo and I say GFM penifo e be so mo esama no contract renewal because ohwe coach na adwuma ɔkɔbɔ 2010 na esombo ba open akɔ no call Saudi Arabia call signing ma different club per that 2010 to 2000 and a year 2021 I must say almost about 8 years 6 years no active in football Coach Milo because oba no BS ohwe Coach Milo no BS nim say Coach Milo adwuma no ntumi nye let's forget about the past adiawaye that past years na say that 2010 chemo the year no is different from this 2021 because that players na no was different from these players currently make me say compare that 2010 players to this current players now different very different because that 2010 players no but this 2021 make me say if they are in a game omubo game obi said this 2010 players no yan san form mbra bi mbetimi ayeduma and right the game is of na Okorie ka bibi say Kamal Dean wo hwe the players Kamal Dean edge ball bi etwe Zimbabwe for player baako but Benjamin Tete the striker position no gina no was so that position bi a possible no obetimi IBP baby an say who steady ball ni ye pa na okotena na hwe highlight na the player Kamal Dean ene Abranti and Benjamin Tete na omsi bibi the cutting Otrim baku mienu miensa no the position of Benjamin Tete was not that encouraging and also then also bobo ni so Andra team now I don't want to talk much about the team I got 2 matches to go ye and the obi an fan share na dream say Ghana ya qualify ye nyam qualify ye beka ko boy Ethiopia away Addis Ababa a very crucial game if say to me say Ethiopia ye betimi akole ne dan but enye dan deal sia Osha Blaster local coaches any foreign coaches are you respect foreign coaches no as in local coaches because Osha and Dra they no na one focus Didayu ya bench not onya light injury in general bench but as a coach Ghana ni coach local Blaster coach na captain
Didayu onya light injury ko odin babo eyade wo but foreign coaches no yen deciding for more yen deciding ma to me deciding ma foreign coach say oil foreign coach until who decide am a foreign coach that be and sometimes make me say yen pay for no say be ye boom bro for kakra sin ye before no because we don't respect our local coaches yen respect local coaches no because if say respect local coaches na enka coach bia o hwe CK na o ga say CK oyi kakra but sometimes respect in your me have say me a player me bo foreign country me je am 6,000 a month coach o coach your local team no je am say 50% a month me respect no and am your local coaches in about to me and sometimes interference and so does so Andra game itself I'm born modern but the first half was very superb second half no na it seems like shaking kakrebi e won ba yebo ba so 2 matches to go your bomb is a bit me akoshi Ethiopia next month na etimi a South Africa na qualify okay I know the writer commentator
okay I'm person me can only say I know say there is another stage I Yebeko right
yes after this no you go
there is
playoff
a final stage I Yebeko
you go playoff
and me person
yes
if you are qualify
if you are qualify for World Cup there will be a playoff
yes
on say this so far 10 groups
yes
and UEFA winner from each group now we are pair
pair 2014
yeah pair 5 teams near they qualify for Qatar you know still now no you qualify it's a South Africa class still you qualify it's a big game baby and Commissioner Ghana Nigeria be
okay other than Saga shows I am quite to
Saga for microphone na.
Menia.
I don't know why you call me.
Oh, that be problem you.
Well, sure.
That be problem you.
Business school so.
Bibia fine.
Ojure ma te say wo si wa bopata o baby.
Oh, Dabi. Rooftop you
and how the home mama high.
Dabi pacho meet me fama high. Jankwesi wo. Anka be ho no mo if you bridge ba pacho.
Wa ba say bi an go see wa ya fa na chi.
Dabi berent me yes. Wo yes akro no on pe high obe jeska no amanipa no wa pamuni pa na kofie. You on there for years, I know.
The sort of the aqua.
You sort of the aqua. And you also the
baby be of Fientin, be our Jama.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. Say, Covid be a fine.
Oh, no, Ovacas with him, Crovacas with him. Yeah,
Accra has a food.
I mean, Sika. And you know, Sarah. 2 minutes central blaster.
AK, Anka, me person me switch attention kakra.
Onka blaster.
Odabi.
Onka blaster FSC.
Dabi.
Oh, so onka blaster.
Dabi ba anka me wasem kan.
What that's him?
Wake up qualification na.
2 minutes.
Yes, into 2 minutes. Enra Denmark ebe the second team to qualify to wake up. So unim. Yes. Unim say Denmark national team no Kasper Joe Band any team no. Wo share the style of qualification na. Denmark penny team wabo matches mako 8 matches na wabo no olusu da on draw da on concede goal was 27 good goals no goal against ABC da 55 nations ebo Europe no obi anya sa record no bi
simu biem
Denmark abo 8 matches 24 points 27 good goals
and I say
no goals conceded.
There's on conceded goal.
On conceded goal.
Okay.
On conceded goal. German first team to qualify, but Omoma conceded goal. Omoma points 21. But in manya 24 out of 8 match 4 points. Omanya points in 24 points, 27 goals, no goal against.
Wow. Saga, me petse me who which teams were in their group? Denmark group.
Omo Faroe Island honomo. Omo Israel honomo. Omo Scotland honomo.
Okay.
Enti that team na omo afemu e di ISR record. Who say Denmark 1998 omba wake up ebe ye anwa de kakra. Ebe do quarter finals against Brazil travel to extra time and sana Brazil kunya 3-2 against omo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And who say Denmark the same thing pepe na coach comes was an team na or some we lose only 5 matches so for team we lose 5 matches per Europe we lose 5 matches per honomo that tells you ejuma awoye who say as a good manager so manage the egos of the players no say obeye nyama trokan bi honomo who changes you we substitution say impact no say binya retrogression say team be retrogress akwachi we sape say impact send your money be na more Milovan adi abano sap pe enya impact team no so until that tells you say teams be any abre and Africa and so say Senegal and Morocco are qualified to the playoff.
Okay.
Yes, Morocco and Senegal. Juma no mo bono no asam ka just akwa no bo hat-trick. Famara no bo hat-trick e di gu atrema Senegal. Na Sadio Mane ni mo ho.
That young chap no.
That young chap no. Enti ball no enye ding sese ya o. Shania Denmark Europe Euro ya semi final it takes England be you mafimu. That tells you say you build a team ni am team no you manager no o fingerprint our team no so now omonya cohesion familiarity atumi ayeju wunya sa team na sa team your friend team enye individualistic team she team na we she players mukita no Schmeichel Vestergaard Simon Kier no wakonya Andre Christensen Chelsea no mukita Wolves o mukita Hosberg ubefa say omunya animo o mukita Olsen Paulsen and Mikel Damska Dabo Fran the young chap Mikel Damska Dabo
Daniel Vaz
yes
Valencia
another great player
yes and ube say yes team yi who say omukita mpenye experience bi anase obenye obi arrowhead bi anase obi superior bi team na mo obo say teamwork pure teamwork any abodi at one say team no oni am bo very difficult to beat enti na mabo 8 matches omo consider go obi aso to me show me that test you say coach and a manager manage egos team enya familiarity cohesion na build a very nice team at the atone say team ne bo uhia Ronaldo uhia Messi bia enso ubenya hu say team no improvement with team no mu enti ono ne ka no Milo enu bi na Milo de ba no o make sure say team no familiarity baba kakra na at least what's a top notch player kra no bi ba say yenya isinto bia e ho no mo enti ono na ye de be ma Ghana for de no a omo ye adwuma because meka yo say Milo she wana ultimate enti ende meka kire ho
yeah, sometimes I wish say Erling Bro Haaland from Denmark.
Yes, or this Ankebe Boampa. Ankebe Boampa.
Him being a Norwegian.
Yes,
sometimes I feel say a wasted talent because or you super talent.
Obeshe goes in fact.
Anka say Uncle of Denmark.
Paulson, anymore. Denmark go about 3-4-3. About 3-4-3.
You see if Paulson is
yes.
Yes. You see Paulson
was out of the game.
You see Paulson is good. But Paulson. He's not Brute Haaland good.
Yes, or new animal.
Say Brute Haaland is an elite talent. Says Anka of Denmark. Anka Denmark will be a team to reckon.
Yes. Nti enyo wa uti use baby akwada kudinde den emfa use enu at the same thing akoye Polish national team striker no Bavarian giant striker no sa emfa Lewandowski obetumi ase go last match almost 5 if you no be share 1 bra mo bra answer mutumi share 1 no sa ups and downs abu se na afa won no mutumi anko wake up
even the Danish team now their midfield Delaney Hojbjerg
Rosberg
was
Joachim Haller no.
Yes, Mile Money.
Yes,
in the midfield.
Very solid midfield.
Yes, almost tough, almost 3 back. Now about 4 midfielders, solid.
Christiansen, Kajaya, Vestergaard.
Yes. Now so we say Kia, Simon Kia or form.
Yeah.
Oh, from AC Milan. Oh, yeah, Masa. Simon Kia
Simon Kia is now the captain of AC Milan.
Yes. Uti adwuma na oyɛ no, adwuma na Stefano Pioli ede ne yɛ AC Milan no. Eno na reflect back e national team ne so no.
Also a hero. Oh,
yeah.
A hero.
Yes.
Oh yeah, in his country,
hero.
yes.
I
mean, imagine say Anka what happened to Christian Eriksen hasn't even happened.
Yes. Anka
they have an elite, playmaker who like tie the whole team together because we say the style of football the entire team functions around the playmaker in the team. So I hope say even Christian Eriksen gets back. I mean it will be a
nice.
I mean we saw their performance at the Euros. They're a team to reckon with.
All right, and my Black Stars issues, and fancy, but still bet to me at the WhatsApp and SMS number 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Sounds on Facebook. Okay, Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook, YouTube, and so your Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram Okoman 971. My main Facebook na fin so no main can comment 1 or 2 na fin so no ye me hwe koroko issue no or china na am say time ni tina ye hat to folk de no etma to so china be hwe to folk CAF Champions League no entino ye be di koroko on come but Victor Nia J also watching you live from Plains. Greetings and also at me at the dia ba ofay apente also nice one and also at me the sir comment na there to Jet Ofori also great show. And also at me area Jabo the Sailor and also Chema Option live. And so NSK Safro. Also but my question is at what they teach local coaches different from foreign coaches. Local coaches should be motivated. Chema say and I watch local coaches and I watch foreign coaches now. You trying to local coaches motivation no support nothing so no Gibian so no and you find Prince Kwachi and also no FG made in life. And so messages in those, but everybody na fin so no let me abedin komo and so no fie everybody na fin so abedin komo fie okay 1 2 okay yemra fie ni bedin fie komo na prepare na ya messages na ba no na fin so let me akinka munu say no report eba afigoro ko nyanika chemu say ne Dr. Kwame Chei ono boche ere makoroko Dr. Kwame Chei Borche Makoroko report eba echima papa no enso etuma tro let tin if yakoka be paga da koma His Royal Majesty 2472 echima koroko adwuma no ontumi nye se Borche Infama Koroko. Intieno, Pamno Chamno, resign from Koroko. Na aka say no 2 fonts to be jelete no atum. Say nin amba yo meja atum betu makofi. Ye tweng. Sanse no but Saga, I'm in few Koroko issue. Dr. Kwame Che report teba chimse. I resign.
Confirm and answer.
And then the report eba.
Because you know you can say report we be switch say Rodorada say we be nti what we say Ghana hana monankasa na ba minua Kwame Che resign say soldier go soldier account definitely then soldier kwa soldier beba wo hye niema eba from last season year 2020 I will say niema enye very present with Kwame Che because of wo sha we are there ni adibi demo between Onon and Nana Amponsah.
Oh, 3 minutes was
yeah, denga bibi mu. Ena sabi nyama na ewom between Onon and Nana Amponsah no. Say nyama na betumi atrega kodu baby a wan hwe ya na nkata open ti na che se open na se obedua mante be se odi ni odi na adwuma etofam. Na mo sa letter na wo twara koma otufu ancho letter ambre no so me kotoko boche ma. Wa mane krata